Hi friends, I hope you all are fine, and I pray to God that you all live well and doesn't get affected with this virus that is spreading all over in our city as well as our nation. Our nation as well as our city is totally badly affected with this virus that is corona. So in order to stay safe, kindly use the preventive measures, mainly use a mask and a sanitizer. Every time you go anywhere, kindly wash your hands and legs and keep yourself fresh, and also follow the other preventive measures as been provided by the doctors to prevent yourself from getting affected. So for today, as you can see the thumbnail, we will be discussing about a fact that everybody has faced in their life. Me too. When I went for an interview some years before for an office, at the time of interview, I found I am lacking a passport size photo. Not only me, I hope you can relate it to yourself also. When you went for an interview or you took your children to a school for admission and anything other official purposes, we always are intended to make a mistake of not having a passport size photo. So what do we need to do then? We need to search here and there for a store where the photo can be clicked, and after that we need to beg that person kindly get that photo printed in a single day so that we can provide that photo to the necessary organization in the upcoming day. And so we take a day from the organization to provide the photo. But today I can provide you a solution in my video, which I will be sharing after this. You can create a passport size photo of any required size in your phone, and then you can go to any store where the photo can be printed and get it printed in a single moment. So what we are waiting for? Let's go to the video and check it, and if you find it to be much more helpful to you and you can use it on your own in the future, so surely share the video with your friends and family members so that they are also being helped by these sort of videos, which they can use for themselves and for their family members. And also like the video and subscribe to my channel for these sort of more videos which will be coming one after the other. Firstly, you need to go to Play Store. Over there you need to type PicsArt. As I have already searched it, it is already present in my search bar. So click on the app and you will get that option. I have already downloaded it, so it is telling to open, and if you download it will be asking to be installed. So open this. Over there, after installing, just follow the procedure which I am sharing after this. Firstly, you need to take a front facing photo of yourself from your phone either or been clicked by someone else. After opening it in the PicsArt app, choose cutout and you will get these options as been shown in the screen, and you need to choose the person. After that, you need to select the area you need to keep, and the rest of the area will be automatically erased off. You can simultaneously zoom in and zoom out to check the required part which is need to be kept and which is need to be omitted is selected correctly or not. After editing, you may go to the preview option to check further more edits are required or not in your image. This app provides an option to zoom in fully and minutely edit your image. So since there is an option of an eraser, so you can erase off the unrequired part of your image. After your editing is finished, click on the save button
so that your edits get saved. And after that, click on the back button and you will get an option to save the image as a draft. Save it as a draft. After this, choose a background which you want to keep for the image you just edited, and after that choose crop option where you will find the size you want to keep for the edited image to select it as a passport size photo. After this, you need to go to add photo option and you will find the save draft picture which you just edited. Just select it. It will be coming over the background picture which you just created, and over there you need to select it accordingly as per your requirement, and also you need to edit the unrequired part if there is any requirement for that. Procedure by which you can create your own passport size photo at any point of time on your own phone. Hope you liked it. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel.